Welcome to Pluralsight and this cybersecurity tools course featuring Covenant, the open source command and control tool developed and maintained by Ryan Cobb. As a red team operator, you've had a great run with tools like Meterpreter and PS Empire. But with prolific adoption of more advanced endpoint detection response tools, you have to look for new ways to maintain your foothold in compromised systems. .NET compilation on the target systems in memory is showing promise as a stable and stealthy technique, and Covenant is the C2 platform built to capitalize on that capability. Staying true to the lore of Halo's organized alien hierarchy, you and your team can collaborate on this weaponized platform to create implants called grunts and deploy, manage, and spread them across compromised networks, taking various flood purging actions as you see fit along the way. Whether you're ready to integrate a new command and control capability into your red team operations, or just looking to test your network defenses against the latest adversarial techniques, join me to learn tips and tricks for installation and general operation of Covenant today.